We about to get a special thing done to the car. It looks dope, man. Holy sh! This is dope, bro. Look at that. Boy, I went crazy with this car, bro. I'm gonna get a little pull in for y'all real quick, just cause I'm feeling good and we got the new mod done. Let me see what happens when I turn on the brightness. Nah, that's tough. Y'all like my ski mask, bro? My, what do you call it? Baklava, something like that. Damn. I think I'm ready for something better than that. What's the deal, YouTube?
In 1 mile, at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto Farm.
Thanks. What's the deal, YouTube? Vlogs by Drew back at it again with another video. Hey, this is a different video though. This one doing our first mod to our new 2023 Dodge Durango RT Plus. We about to get a special thing done to the car. It's going to be my tail light. We're going to have a little design on my tail light. My old car, I'm going to put a picture on here, but my old car, it was had like a little design on the back. But this one is going to be entirely different, man. I can't wait to show you guys. I ain't going to talk y'all ear off. I hope y'all having a good day. Stay the whole way to the video. And I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We have been getting subscribers crazy. My initial goal was getting 150 subscribers by Halloween. I had 132 on my last video when I said that. We are at, last my check was an hour ago, we are at 183 subscribers. So we have well past our goal. So now I had to up the subscriber goal to 200 now before Halloween. Today it is the 17th. It is 10/17. What's up? Nah, but yeah, it is 10/17. So shoot, 17 more subscribers. We at 183 now, 200 by Halloween. Oh, we gonna easily knock that off. Thanks to you guys, man, because we gonna, you know what I'm saying, we gonna shoot to the moon with this stuff. I will catch y'all when we get to this shot that's gonna do the shit to my taillight. So yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Before and after. All right, guys. So now I'm in the lobby right now. We just took the car around, so they about to get that together. And then yeah, man, I'll just show y'all how I go.
Wake up, filthy. I fuck Barbie, bitch, yeah, all my hoes place. All my hoes know how to act, all my hoes class. All my hoes fuck me like they from the line. She fucking with the gang, yeah, she know it.
Boom, we got the new thing, yeah, man. Jeez, look at that, we smoked out. Look at that, bro. This called the tiger skin. Woo! I know it's dirty right now, please don't mind that, but it looks dope, man. Holy shit. Man, this smoked out everything, bro. I just love the design, bro. It's so dope. It's like different too. You don't really see these around much. My door's open, I know. Don't even cook me, but yeah, man, bro. It's like a whole different. That's tough, bro. Sheesh. It cost me $80 to get it installed. No, I feel like it's worth the price, bro. It's dope. I can't wait to see how it look in the nighttime, y'all. Holy, bro, I went crazy. This car is so. Oh my God, the black on black with the design, bro. Tinted out, everything, 5%, 30%. I'm gonna get them back. I'm gonna get the back 5% soon, but this is dope, bro. Look at that. Woo. Oh boy, I went crazy with this car, bro. Big Zeus coming out, trim. I know it's dirty, bro. Don't worry, I'm about to go get a car wash now, bro. Actually, let's go get a car wash, and then I'm gonna show y'all the whole walk around, how it looks with it, cleaning everything, man. Holy, look at that, bro. That's so dope, dog. That's crazy. All right, man, let's go. We about to talk. I'm gonna get a little pull in for y'all real quick, just because I'm feeling good and we got the new mod done. YouTube, we got Zeus done. You know what I'm saying? I got him a car wash. Now let's look at how the back look, bro. All right, so this is how I look after a wash. This junk is hard, bro. Look at that. I love the design right here. This is like my favorite part. That junk is hard. Let me see what happens when I turn on the brightness. Nah, that's tough, bro. Look at that. That's crazy. But yeah, we smoked the whole taillight out. And then we got the whole design on there. So now it fits with the black. with the exterior color of the black. With that dirt off, you know what I'm saying? We got that dirt off the sides. We got the tires looking clean now. Now we just gotta paint the wheels like glossy black, and then we good, right? What y'all think? Yeah, that's hard, man. I did my thing with this one, right? Yo, man, the side marker, boy, you know what I'm saying? This thing is hard, bro. I love this car. I'm ready to put some more designs on it. I want to put like a stripe, I think. I think I want to get a stripe on there. But I don't know, man. We working, we figuring stuff out. I might get a little thing for the shark. It's like a shark thing on Etsy I be seeing. I might get something up there. But yeah, I just know I blacked it out and everything. So we got that now. Come in with the red seats. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's comfy in here. Open the sunroof. All right, so now, yeah, that's how it's look, man. First ever mod done. Yeah, like my ski mask, bro. What do you call it? Baklava, something like that. But yeah, man, the first mod is done. Taillight. Next, I think I'm gonna cut my mufflers off, y'all. I don't think I'm ready for that. I think I'm ready for something better than that. So I think I want to cut the mufflers off, and I was thinking about the resonators maybe on that, because I don't want it too loud, but at the same time I want it loud, bro. I want it louder than my old Durango. All I had on my old Durango was a muffler delete. Man, this one, I don't know. I kind of want to do a muffler and resonator delete. I don't even care if it's too loud at this point, but at the same time, it's like, you know, I kind of, you know what I'm saying? But it's a give and take, bro. I know what comes with all this car mod stuff is a give and take. So who knows, man? We gonna see, bro. I'm gonna do more research on it, see if I really want it done. You know, the mufflers and resonators. I know I want the muffler done for sure. I know that. Cause that sound, the muffler sound taking it off, man, it's dope. Boom, man. Nah, this bitch hard, bro. Damn. Ooh, the nighttime look is crazy, man. Jeez, just look at that. Hold on, let me bring the brightness down. That's so tough. Yeah, I did my thing with this one, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. This junk fits it perfectly, boy. Look at that tiger skin. Jeez, boy. Side marker looking pretty per usual. We got this looking clean too. Got it at a car wash earlier today, as y'all seen. But yeah, man, this how we looking, bro. Yeah, first mod is out the way. This car is dope, bro. I love it. I really can't go around with it, bro. But I ain't gonna talk your ear off. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We trying to hit 200 subscribers before Halloween. It's October 17th, 5:27 p.m. right now. We at 183 subscribers. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get 200. That's like a couple of days, man. Yeah, we gonna get 200, bro. We gonna speak into existence through the help of y'all and through the work of me. We gonna make it happen, bro. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. Thank y'all so much. Hope y'all enjoyed the mod. I hope y'all enjoyed this vid. And most importantly, I just thank you so much for watching, man. Each view is something I'm thankful for, man. If you ever hopped on to any of my videos just out of nowhere, from wherever, man, just know I appreciate you, bro. It means a lot to me. It means a lot. You know, no matter all the things that we go through, keep staying humble. You know, we're going to keep elevating, work to more. You know, we ain't close to satisfied. Let's go, man. That's all I got to say, bro. Hey, appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm out. Vlogs about you out. Peace.